So now I'm going to show you about some of the tips to how to make some YouTube content and English educative content. So right now I will show how to make this content. So let's check it out. First in Google search we will type how to make sorry how to make YouTube content on Instagram. Sorry, how to make YouTube content on educative videos. So like this you can search. Then you can see here it doesn't came define a clear objective. Every video should have one specific problem or teach one clear concept. And then write a script outline with the viewer. So these are the guidelines. It has been written like this. Create a content. Now we can go to this YouTube video link